How to enter Safe Zone 5, Neponset River Trail safely, coming from out of the city, the suburbs, coming up here through Milton. All right, you need to get yourself to this spot right here, this intersection. Get on this path. We'll get you into Safe Zone 5, right onto the trail, Neponset River. We got a two-way lane here, and then we're going to be sharing the sidewalk, pedestrians over this bridge. Right into Mattapan Station, okay? Here's where you're entering. But pay attention, very quick right. Immediate right, turning around. Get yourself right in here to the Neponset River Trail. Take a look at those old trolleys hanging around here in the lot. And take off from here. You stay on this Safe Zone 5 all the way up to where it's broken down and you got to go over that bridge. There's a video and shorts on that.